Hello friends, today we will discuss on the topic of balance of payment. Balance of payment as BOP. What is mean what is mean by balance of payment? The balance of payment is also known as international payment. It is also abbreviated as BOP or a BOP of the country. A systematic record of all the economic transaction between a resident of a country and a rest of the world is given period is called as balance of payment. The balance of payment is also recorded of all international trade and financial transaction made by a country's resident. A country balance of payment tell you whether it saves enough to pay for its imports. It is also reveals whether the country produces enough economic output to pay for its growth. The BOP is reported for a quarter or a year. The balance of payment deficit means the country imports more goods, services and capital than its export. It must borrow from other countries to pay for its import. In the short term, that fuels the country's economic growth. It's like taking out a school loan to pay for education. The component of balance of payment. There are three major components. First one current account, second one financial account, and third one capital account. The current account name shows that the current account measure international payment, income on investment, direct payment is used to monitor the cash inflow and cash outflow of goods and services between country. This account covers all the receipt and payments made with respect to raw material and manufacturer goods. It also includes receipt from engineering, tourism, transportation, business, services, stock, and royalties from parents and copyrights. When all the goods and services are combined together, they make up a country BOP, balance of trade. Then financial account. The financial account measures first one changes in domestic ownership of foreign asset. Second, foreign ownership of domestic assets. If foreign ownership increases more than domestic ownership, does it creates the deficit in financial account. This means the country is selling off it like gold, commodities or corporate stock faster than it is acquiring foreign asset. Third one, capital account. The capital account measure financial transaction that don't affect a country income, production or saving. For example, it records international transfer of dealing right, trademark and copyrights. There are three major elements of capital account. Then scope of balance of payment. In broad aim, the balance of payment is to show economic interrelationship between the national economy and outside world. This international internship has two aspects. The first aspect is the flow of real goods and services from national economy to foreign countries and vice versa. The second is the flow of financial payment and obligations between the national economy and foreign countries. The formula of balance of payment. The balance of payment is equal to balance of current account plus balance of capital account plus balance of financial account. The importance of balance of payment. The BOP records all the transactions that create demand for and supply of currency. Second one, judge the economic and financial state of country in the short term. Third one, BOP may confirm trend in economy, international trade and the exchange rate of the currency. This may also indicate the changes in reserve in the trend. Fourth one, this may indicate policy shift of the monetary authority, that is RBI, of the country. Thank you friends for watching my video. Once again, thank you.